The bane of hard water stains. We've all been there. You walk into your bathroom ready to relax, and then you see them. Those pesky hard water stains clinging to your shower head, faucets and tiles. They're unsightly, stubborn, and can make even the cleanest home feel a bit less inviting. But don't despair. You don't need harsh chemicals to combat these mineral deposits. Natural solutions are just as effective and much safer for your family and the environment.
Embrace the natural approach. Nature holds the key to a clean and healthy home. Simple ingredients like white vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice are powerful cleaning agents that can dissolve mineral buildup and leave your surfaces sparkling. These natural alternatives are gentle on your hands, safe for children and pets, and won't pollute our waterways. It's time to ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature.
Gather your cleaning arsenal. Before we embark on our cleaning mission, let's assemble our eco-friendly cleaning arsenal: white vinegar, a natural powerhouse for dissolving mineral deposits; baking soda, a gentle abrasive and deodorizer; lemon juice cuts through grease and adds a fresh scent; spray bottle for easy application of our cleaning solutions; microfiber cloth, lint-free and perfect for wiping and buffing; sponge for gentle scrubbing; warm water, our trusty sidekick for rinsing and cleaning. Preparing for battle. Before applying our natural cleaning solutions, it's essential to prepare the battlefield. Start by giving the affected surfaces a quick rinse with warm water. This will help loosen any dirt or debris, allowing our cleaning agents to penetrate deeper and work their magic more effectively. Now, for the fun part, mixing our natural cleaning potions. Creating your own cleaning solutions not only saves money, but also ensures that you know exactly what ingredients are being used in your home. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding process that can be customized to your specific needs. Let's dive into some of the most effective natural cleaning solutions you can make right in your kitchen. For tough, hard water stains, white vinegar is our weapon of choice. This common household item is incredibly versatile and powerful when it comes to tackling stubborn stains. Its acidic nature helps to dissolve mineral deposits and grime, making it an excellent choice for cleaning. Fill your spray bottle with undiluted white vinegar and generously spray the affected areas. Make sure to cover the stains completely for the best results. This method is particularly effective on bathroom fixtures, glass shower doors, and even kitchen sinks where hard water stains are common. Allow it to sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes to break down those stubborn mineral deposits. During this time, the vinegar will work its magic, loosening the buildup and making it easier to wipe away. You can use this waiting period to prepare other cleaning solutions or tackle another area of your home.
For lighter stains or surfaces like countertops, lemon juice can work wonders. Simply cut a lemon in half, rub it directly onto the stain and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before wiping it clean. The natural acidity of lemon juice makes it a gentle yet effective cleaner, perfect for everyday use. The citric acid in the lemon juice will help lift away the stains and leave behind a refreshing scent. Not only does it clean, but it also deodorizes, leaving your surfaces smelling fresh and clean. This method is great for kitchen counters, cutting boards, and even inside your microwave. Just remember to rinse thoroughly to avoid any sticky residue.
After our cleaning solutions have had time to work their magic, it's time to introduce our trusty sponge. Dip your sponge in warm water, wring out any excess, and gently scrub the affected areas. Remember, we're aiming for a gentle touch to avoid scratching the surfaces. The goal is to lift away the loosened mineral deposits, not to wage war on our fixtures.
Yeah, the key here is to be gentle and patient. Just let the sponge do its work without applying too much pressure.
With the scrubbing complete, it's time to rinse away the grime and reveal the sparkling results. Use warm water and your microfiber cloth to thoroughly rinse the cleaned areas, ensuring no residue remains. The microfiber cloth will help buff the surfaces to a brilliant shine.
Behold the sparkling results. Step back and admire your handiwork. Your once stained surfaces should now be gleaming, free from those stubborn hard watermarks. The best part? You achieved this sparkling clean using natural, safe, and eco-friendly methods. Your home is now a healthier and more welcoming haven, free from the harsh chemicals found in conventional cleaning products.
Secrets to maintaining a spotless home. The key to conquering hard water stains is prevention and regular maintenance. Hard water stains can be stubborn and unsightly, but with a few proactive steps, you can keep them at bay. Here are a few tips to keep your home sparkling clean. These tips are easy to follow and can make a significant difference in the overall cleanliness and appearance of your home. Dry it up. After each use, wipe down surfaces prone to hard water stains, such as shower doors, faucets, and sinks, with a dry towel. This simple habit can prevent mineral deposits from forming in the first place. By taking a few seconds to dry these areas, you can save yourself a lot of scrubbing later on. This simple habit can prevent mineral deposits from forming in the first place. Mineral deposits can build up quickly, especially in areas with hard water, so staying on top of this task is crucial. Ventilation is key. Ensure proper ventilation in your bathroom and kitchen to reduce moisture buildup, which can contribute to hard water stains. Moisture can lead to mold and mildew, which are not only unsightly, but can also be harmful to your health. Use exhaust fans or open windows while showering or cooking. Proper ventilation helps to keep the air dry and reduces the chances of water stains forming on surfaces. Regular cleaning. Make natural cleaning a part of your regular routine. Natural cleaners are not only effective, but also safe for your family and the environment. Weekly wipe downs with vinegar or lemon juice can prevent stains from becoming deeply embedded. These natural acids break down mineral deposits and leave your surfaces looking shiny and new. Incorporating these simple steps into your cleaning routine can make a world of difference in maintaining a spotless home. Consistency is key. By regularly following these tips, you can ensure that your home remains clean and free of hard water stains. A little effort each day can save you from the hassle of deep cleaning sessions. Involve your family in the cleaning process. Assigning small tasks to each member can make the job easier and faster. Plus, it teaches everyone the importance of maintaining a clean living space. Don't forget to use the right tools. Microfiber cloths are excellent for trapping dust and dirt, and baking soda is a great natural abrasive for tougher stains. Enjoy the benefits of a spotless home. A clean environment not only looks good, but also feels good. It can reduce stress and create a more pleasant living space for you and your family. Remember, maintaining a spotless home is not about perfection, but about consistency and making small, manageable changes to your daily routine. With these tips, you can achieve a clean and inviting home effortlessly.
Join the clean home revolution. Congratulations, you've made a fantastic choice for your home and the environment. By choosing natural cleaning products, you're taking a stand against harsh chemicals and embracing the power of nature. These products are not only effective, but also safe for your family and pets. Share your newfound knowledge with friends and family. Let them know about the benefits of switching to natural cleaning solutions. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Demonstrate these safe and effective cleaning methods to others. Show them how easy it is to maintain a clean home without compromising on health. Together, we can create a community of informed and responsible cleaners. Imagine living in a home that's not only spotless but also free from harmful chemicals. A clean and organized home contributes to a healthier lifestyle and a happier family. Plus, it's a step towards a healthier planet. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps spread the message of natural cleaning far and wide. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural cleaning and home improvement inspiration. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to keep your home sparkling clean and eco-friendly. And don't forget to share your own cleaning triumphs and challenges in the comments below. Your experiences can inspire others to join the clean home revolution. Let's build a community where we learn and grow together.
Thank you for choosing natural cleaning. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a naturally clean home. Remember, a healthy home is a happy home. And with a little effort and the power of nature, we can create spaces that sparkle and shine, both inside and out. Happy cleaning, everyone.